Ladies chika, ito na yung inaabangan ng mga Donbell fans na makita ang mga picture ni Belle enjoying a short PK and Boracay in such a refreshing sight. Even during a quick break, her natural charm and simple happiness is really stand out. From the sunny beach views to those relaxed moments by the shore, you can see how much she's enjoying the peaceful island's vibe. And it's nice seeing her take time to recharge while still looking effortlessly beautiful and glowing. A short vacation but definitely full of good vibes, ocean breeze, and genuine smiles. At talaga namang ang post na ito ng actress ay talagang umani ng samot-saring komento. Sabi nga ni Sneer, ang ganda ng fit at ang ganda mo. Alam kay Jericho Andrade, love the caption. Ay naman kay Vena Manoval, ang saya naman yan. Enjoy your time with your family. Ang ganda ng view pero mas maganda ka pa din dyan. Ayon nga kay Ohana, ang ganda mo mahal. Ay naman kay Dump, Boracay's main attraction.